guys, my name is Linda. Our topic today is farm animals. Okay, let's start. What is it? It's a pig. Yes, it's a duck. It's a horse. It's a cat. And next, it's a kitten. It's a dog. It's a puppy. It's a chick. It's a rooster. It's a hen. It's an egg. They are eggs. Okay. What do you see? I see a bird. I see a spider. I see a butterfly. Butterfly, okay? Butterfly. And I see a farmer. Farmer. I see a sheep. Sheep. I see a goat. Goat. I see a rabbit. Rabbit. I see a buffalo. 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 Okay? Buffalo. I see a mouse. I see a turkey. Turkey. One more. Turkey. Yes. I see a donkey. Donkey. I see a frog. Frog. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.